Guys, no joke. No joke. Check this out. Dude, my nose is so watery. I've been sneezing all day. Like my eyes. See, they're like puffy. I hate getting sick. I'm eating Chinese food right now. Like, I hate it. But hopefully, I get better. I can't wait for winter to stop. It's ruining my money flow. Peace.